Nature gives every time and season a beauty of its own.
Tanavit sir, let me ask you, what are your thoughts on this quote?
I just said, Mother Nature is giving us all the beauty during this lockdown, and we could see all those things which is coming back again from the nature, like birds chirping out, the beauty of the sky. So all this is coming back. So yes, it is giving us the beauty of its own now.
Now let us ask Priya ma'am, our genre mentor, her views on this presentation.
Well, I'm really very happy, first of all, with the subject that you guys have taken, because this obviously is again a subject that we all work with. It is related to, something which is, let it be a 3-year-old or let it be a 90-year-old, everyone is using these kind of gadgets. And yes, as you guys rightly said, that people don't realize it yet. People realize about cars, people realize about forests, people realize about a lot of things, but not exactly the same thing that they are watching all of this on. Having said that, I'm so happy and I'm so proud that you guys actually came up with a solution as well over here that each one of us can go back with, so there is a problem and there is a solution. So for me, this was actually a complete 360-degree presentation. And not just, I think so, all of us, but even the ones who will be watching on, on the channel, you guys have. At that particular time also, they will understand it in a layman language. The key to your entire presentation was even my 6-year-old nephew will understand and my 60-year-old mother will also understand. So yeah, hats off to you guys on that. Yeah.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you for sharing your thoughts.
Now we move towards the Q&A session. I would like to ask Pradeep sir what are his views on this presentation.
Yeah, it was a fantastic presentation which took us to the problem as well as the solution. I have an appreciation and the question. Appreciation in terms of managing the pitfalls. I saw कि Ria for some reason, for some technical reason, couldn't speak up in between, and Rohan smartly took it up, which did not break the continuity of the flow. So that was a fantastic thing and good presence of mind that Rohan did to cover up each other's problems. So that was a fantastic thing. Second, the question that I have is since it is regarding waste and all those things, why did you guys have to create that placards and display it on the screen? Because that's also kind of paper waste that you. I mean, when you have PPTs, you could have used that creatively.
Yes, sir. Sir, the main motive was to put out bullet points on the paper. I mean, when I displayed gold, platinum, and copper, it's some of the metals that we use in our day-to-day lives, but we never think about it. It can be in our phone. Also, sir, the papers that we use that are easily recyclable. But for example, if you have a headphone tomorrow and if you break your headphone, you don't know what to do. You just throw it in your dustbin.
No,
So
I
that,
understand. I understood
yeah.
the concept of that part, and I also understand that paper is recyclable. That doesn't mean we start using paper because nowadays we're talking about paperless offices and all those things.
Yeah.
And my only suggestion was you could have used PPT creatively instead of using paper and all those things. That was
Get
just
a whiteboard for yourself. My room is surrounded with whiteboards and blackboards, and I'm
yeah.
not even sitting out here. I mean, if you actually see the door has a whiteboard sheet, that's one of the best things to go about it. It's been like I've been using the same one for the last 2 years, so it really helps a lot for these kind of presentations.
And we'll surely work on that, ma'am.
But amazing, yeah. I'm really proud of the way you guys put up this entire thing together.
Yeah, it was fantastic.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to ask Sonu sir his thoughts on this presentation.
I agree to both Priya and Pradeep. They have done a very good job. They have done a wonderful job bringing out the problem as well as the solution. And the most important part is the topic. The topic they have selected is actually the need of the hour. This is something which people need to be aware of, and still many of the people, they know about it, but they don't understand the consequences of it well still, right? So I think bringing that point is a very good thing, and they have bought it well.
Thank you, sir.
I would like to ask Kamal sir, what are his views on this presentation?
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I did like the topic and the way the presentation was given. And here again, because this topic is for the common man, the use of Hindi was appropriate. However, I would look at it from one more angle, that this is the fourth presentation which they are doing. So somewhere I would expect a higher quality with respect to delivery. So that is somewhere I felt that it could have been better. Like even if you look at the language, if they are using Hindi, the Hindi should look the Hindi should sound also very sweet. And here and because they are doing a professional presentation, it's not that they are just talking randomly with each other. It's a professional presentation. So there, even when the English words were used, so they should be used only and only if required, not just because you cannot speak in Hindi, so you are using English words. So that is one area where I felt like the preparation was probably less. They felt, okay, it's Hindi, we can anyway go ahead and speak, but we have to understand it's a professional session which you are giving. Another thing was yes, there was some voice distortion earlier. Okay, so that was something where actually I think it was with Sejal where I was not able to hear her points, what she was trying to convey. But overall, the entire presentation and the message was a very, very powerful message. Maybe they could improve on their delivery part.
Sir, just one point. The thing was, since this genre was about environment, and we thought that instead of doing a professional PPT in English, the major comments that we got from our videos was, why don't you guys do it in Hindi? Because a lot of people.
No,
and a lot
that
of
is
viewers-
completely. In fact,
Yeah.
Adit, that's why I said that was a good point
Yeah.
that you used Hindi.
Also, sir, the reason why we used English words in middle was to make it look like we're talking with our friends and we're not delivering a
Again,
PPT.
Adit, if you remember, when I said
Yes, sir.
yes, there is a requirement of English words at certain
Yes, sir.
places, because if we try to use 100% Hindi, people cannot understand.
understand.
So there
Yes,
are
sir.
certain words which are supposed to be used in English,
Yes, sir.
but words are different. But if you have to use verbs also in English, okay, there's a difference between word and the verb.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so here what was happening is, like, just because they were somebody was not able to speak in Hindi, so ठीक है चलो आगे बोल दिया. So what is happening here, it shows that there is a lack of preparation.
Yes, sir.
So, like, if you talk about a train, I would call it a train only. मैं हिंदी में बोलूंगा तो भी मैं ट्रेन बोलूंगा. Okay,
Sir.
और मोबाइल को मैं मोबाइल ही बोलूंगा, मैं उसका कोई हिंदी वर्जन नहीं करूंगा.
हाँ,
So
sir.
that is one thing. And when it comes to like here when we are saying कि अभी आप लोग ये करते हो, अभी आप लोग की बात चल रही है, और बीच में आई थिंक रिया को किसने हैंड ओवर किया था?
तो मैंने क्या था एंड में?
Yeah, so Riya said, अभी तूने, I mean here you
Okay,
are
okay.
giving a professional presentation, you are using word आप for others, and आप अपने ही टीम मेंबर्स को तुम बोलो चल जाता है, वहां भी आप तू बोल रहे हो, तो वो दिख रहा है कि ये हिंदी जो है ना ऐसे ही चलो आप चलता है एटीट्यूड, तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए. You have to understand that here there are 4 people who come from a professional background, and this presentation is being judged. Don't take it lightly. उसको हिंदी है तो मतलब ये नहीं कि चलो चलता है एटीट्यूड, वो नहीं होना चाहिए. Even we use Hindi on the stage.
I want to just say something in defense of these kids, because I've been brought up in Mumbai myself. And it becomes a little difficult when you have been brought up in Mumbai with the tu tadak and aap janab, so the tu tadak comes from that side, like, even with elders I have seen a lot of them, even I used to tu aa jata hai, but most of the part of the world, including everywhere in India, Delhi, Bangalore, anywhere you go to, two is something which is insulting actually, you know.
In fact, Priya, I saw someone losing a business contract for that because he spoke to one lady in front of me, okay, in a networking event. And by the end of the conversation, he came to two. That lady called me up and she said, "Do you know this guy? He does not know how to talk." It was a very big business contract, and that guy lost the contract just because of the usage of the word "two." So I thought, this is important for us to explain these students because, eventually they might feel it's a common thing. ठीक है ना, हम लोग तू एक दूसरे को use करते हैं.
It is all right now instead of they stepping out in the world and getting it the hard way like your colleague
Yeah.
could.
Yeah.
I
Sir, we'll
completely
absolutely work on that, sir. Thank you for that guidance, sir.
Thank
See,
you.
I'll tell you what Kamal is trying to say is two is too casual.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so don't take it very casually because this is a professional platform, and two is generally not entertained very well, not received by people.
Sir, I guess flow में आ गया वो, but I'm really sorry for that, sir. अगर
Sorry.
so unprofessional.
Sorry.
क्योंकि आप लोग आपस में तू बोल सकते हैं. Kamal's point of view was also right कि when you're giving presentation, be mindful of that. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Right.
आपस में आदत बोलना छोड़ दोगे तभी वो प्रेजेंटेशन में भी आदत जाएगी, वरना आपस में और प्रेजेंटेशन में ऐसे डुअल पर्सनालिटी नहीं होगी लाइफ में ना.
Right, Priya.
तो भाई बहनों से, दोस्तों से तुम और आप करके चालू करो, आप लोग बात करना तो अपने आप आ जाएगी. It took me about a year and a half, I think so, when I stepped out of Mumbai a few years back, and that's when I learned it. So I'm sure you guys will also be able to.
Yes, ma'am. We'll surely
Perfect.
work on that, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for the feedback.
Thank you.
Thank you, mentors, for sharing your views. Now, I would love to ask Pranavay sir what are his views on this presentation. So you're on mute.
Mute.
Okay, lovely catch, Kamal. Thank you so much for bringing on this. So basically, yes, I agree that this is a professional platform. This is where we are molding up the future.
Yeah.
And hats off all the mentors who are giving us the valuable time, the valuable guidance, the valuable support to maintain the professionalism across the industry. Okay. So, thank you, Kamal, for bringing in this. Yes, in terms of presentation, I can say, yeah, this was a better presentation today. Comparatively, what we had it for all 4 other presentations. A 360 degree round the clock. It was like problem and then giving it solution. I liked what Sejal said exactly. So Sejal ne pura ka pura drill de diya ki how it is happened. So overall amazing. Overall the kind of the conversation that you people had, amazing. Okay. हाँ, थोड़ी सी हिंदी. Yes, I understand. जब मेरे साथ कोई बात करता है, आपको ये पता है क्या? So basically वो थोड़ा सा हजम नहीं होता because we are from that बम्बईया वाला language, you can say, correct? It is absolutely. But yes, when I used to be in colleges, हम लोग मैम से ऐसी बात करते थे. But then मार के मुझे भी किसी ने तो सिखाया था. अब जाके वो चीज प्रोफेशनलिज्म में आने को जब मैं आया हूँ, so अभी तक वो थोड़ी बहुत एक्सेंट गई नहीं है, but फिर भी on the stage we don't speak this language, but in between friends तो होता ना वो जो जनरली जो हम लोग ग्रुप के साथ बात करते हैं, वो आदत जो होती है ना, वो आदत करते करते we go up to the curve. एंड अगर कोई हार्ड स्टॉप नहीं देता ना, आज अगर मैं कमल को बोलता नहीं कमल इट्स ओके करके, तो शायद वो गलत हो जाता,
आगे जाके मार खा लेते हैं,
आगे जाके वो तुम लोगों के लिए प्रॉब्लम हो जाता. अभी मैं भी देखो आपको बोल रहा हूँ कि तुम लोगों के लिए सब वो आगे जाके आप लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लमेटिक, बिकॉज ये आदत जब बन गई ना, वो आदत बन गई, वो कभी छूटने से रही. Understand? So, good one. You guys came up the curve, and hope to see you coming up the winning team. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you,
Wonderful.
sir.
Great ahead.
Thank you for the feedback, sir.
You, sir.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your views. Hereby we come to an end the first presentation of the fifth genre, environment. I hope you all enjoyed it.
Thank you everyone for watching this episode and making it a successful one.